This video is about crawling and accessing and pulling in PDF data into ChatGPT. Now there are a few different plugins that just do this, ask your PDF and chat with PDF, but also there's some web scraper plugins like this one, the link reader, and the scraper plugin that we'll try just to see how well they can do in terms of specifically reading PDFs. And after going around, I found a good PDF, not that one, this one. It's nice and long. We wanted something nice and long that is, it's about large language models. So this is the PDF that we'll go about. It's a nice long, again, we want something long because if it's really short, we don't want to test, it doesn't kind of test the limits of it, because I'm kind of curious about a few of these different plugins about how well they can really handle large documents. Okay, so first is the Chat with PDF plugin, and I started off by asking, please list all the ways I can use it. And essentially, you can load a PDF document, and it's unclear exactly what happens to this document or whether or not there's a limit to this document, and then you can query the loaded document. You can analyze the document, ask questions. Basically, you chat with the document. I went in here, I loaded a document, basically the direct URL of that PDF I just showed, and document is still loading. Longer documents take more time. I'm not sure how it's going to send a message back here because the response is done. But I'll give it some time and I'll move on and I'll circle back around after I've checked out the other ones. All right, so here is Ask Your PDF. And when I ask it what it can do, it's kind of the same thing with a few notable exceptions. This one specifically mentions a vector database, which piqued my interest, which means that they're chunking the information, which means that they can handle large documents per their statements. So this seems more promising in general. And when I do the same command, well, it's similar. I just asked it to store it in the vector database. It actually did. I'm not really sure what I can do with this, but it does say I can ask specific questions of this document. So I did give me a summary. I asked it kind of like how it worked. I'm kind of curious how it responds to this. Asked for the hypotheses and then the conclusions. So here are the major conclusions from the document. I'm going to pause this real quick. It looks like that's all it answered. It's a summary of the whole document. Maybe because I asked it too many questions. Response. That's interesting. Total pages 52. I wonder how it... You see, it only did the last thing, which is interesting that it would do that. Let's have it give me a summary of the whole document. See if it does that. Okay, so it goes to Ask PDF. It's doing the summary. It had the summary up here. I mean, this is actually, even though I'm not really sure, I'll actually turn this off right here. I'm not really sure how good these summaries are, but at least it's working. The other one didn't seem to quite work. I don't know how it's going to let me know, so I'm kind of curious. Let's just try to ask a question about the document. Please give me a summary of the document. Loaded into chat with PDF. I asked this quite a while ago, so let's see what it does. Okay, this definitely isn't working. So I'd only loaded up one document. Please give me a summary of the document loaded into ChatGPT, chat with PDF. I wonder if this is somebody else's document. Kind of weird. Then I just gave it, please give me a summary of, and I gave it the direct PDF, and it still got it wrong. So big thumbs down for Chat with PDF right now. Maybe they'll improve it right now. It does seem like for the just specific PDF chatters, the Ask Your PDF definitely works better. Now let's try some of the web scrapers. Maybe they do just as good of a job, although web scraping is more complicated than you would think. Okay, so access link cannot access PDFs. You can see I'm not able to parse or summarize PDF documents, so can't use this one. Okay, so Link Reader can do quite a bit more things. It can actually work with PDFs and a variety of other. It seems like it just has a bit wider scope in terms of its scraping or pulling in information. It did get the right document. If I click this, it's very, very long. It looks like it pulled the whole thing in, or at least a lot of it. Maybe just the first chunk. So that's probably not all of it. That's not enough because it's like 50 pages long. But it did. It got the title right, which one of the other ones didn't get right. And this seems like a reasonable summary. Let's compare it to, I think it was Ask Your PDF. Down here, the summary. I always like it when there's like bullets and formatting is used, so I like this one a little bit more, but it's unclear if it's like which one is a better response. Let's just give it credit for it scraped, yes, and it did it work, yes. Okay, so there is one more. The scraper plugin. Okay, I keep getting this, so I wonder if the plugin service is either down or there's like a bug in the software, because I've done this probably about 5 or 6 times in different angles. I asked it what it could do, got the same error, tried to give it a summary, I got the same error. So let's summarize what I found out. This did not work, Chat with PDF. In fact, it had some kind of upsetting results. What if you had uploaded a private PDF and somebody else pulled it off there? That's concerning to me. This worked really, really well, as did the link reader. So if you're going to try to crawl a PDF, which I have had somebody ask me, try to ask questions about a PDF, I would use one of these 2 plugins right now. Also, the scraper plugin just didn't work at all. So that one, probably maybe wait till version 2 or something. Anyway, I hope this helps. I know this is a very useful thing to be able to ask questions, to be able to summarize a 50-page document just like that, or to ask specific questions about it. That is very, very useful. So if you like this video, like and subscribe for more awesome AI videos. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, I was processing the video and I realized that there was one I left out, Web Pilot, and so I went ahead and tested that right here. Please give me a summary of this. And it did a perfect job. It hit it right out of the gate. It does seem like it crawled the whole thing. I did it pretty quickly, and also there's a whole lot more that the Web Pilot can do, which is outside the scope of this video, but it does appear to successfully be able to crawl and use a PDF that is publicly on the internet. So Web Pilot right here. Worked pretty well. So that's all I got. Thank you very much. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe for more content like this. Have a good day. Bye.